Okay, the line AB located on both HP and VP. Okay, this is the point line representation. Okay, this is the line representation. So in this particular position, okay, front view and top view, where I am getting. What is the front view? So the front view in what? According to the projection of points, I am getting a only point. Either projection or front view, top view, all the things it will be I am getting what? Point. But here, yeah, line. That's all. So your front view and top view projection it will be form of line. Am I right? In particular line, in which position? That's why I am asking. The line where I am getting. Yeah, very good. That's all. This is a simple thing. So this is your first type. So in the line topic, there are 5 different topics are available. Okay, there are 5 different types are available. First type is the line is parallel to HP and VP, parallel to both the planes. That is the type 1. The line is parallel to both the planes. Here, so this is a first thing. In this parallel to both the planes, there are different perspective will be available. Okay, I just simply in the first perspective, I just simply kept in the XY reference line. So another perspective. Here listen carefully. The line AB, 70 mm length. One of the end A, 30 mm above HP. One of the end A, 30 mm above HP. 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Yes? You get my point or not? So this is another perspective of first classification, first type. What is the first type? The line which is parallel to both the planes, parallel to HP, parallel to VP. So in this first classification, okay, under the classification there are 2 perspectives. It will be there. First perspective, we can keep the line in the horizontal plane, so XY reference line itself. And another perspective, we can move the particular line above HP certain amount distance and in front of VP certain amount distance. In this particular point, what I am getting? The view. Where I am getting the view? Front view where I am getting and top view where I am getting. Front view in which plane? Yeah, you are the observer, you are looking for the particular line. That view will be known as what? Front view. Front view I am getting in the vertical plane. And top view? While the observer looking from the top. So top view I am getting where? Horizontal plane. That's all. So this is the front view and top view. I can locate the front view and top view. After that, both the views I am getting only line. Am I right or not? Front view you and again line மட்டும்தான் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? So இப்போ அடுத்து என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? நான் இது வந்து 3D view. I just want to draw in the 2D diagram. Okay. Further I just want to what we can do. Yeah, that's the same procedure and all. Okay, if you understand the projection of points very well, that's why I'm again telling that if you understand the projection of points, you don't worry about the remaining topics and all. It will be very easy. Okay, so after I'm getting the views, front view and top view I'm getting that. So after that, how many degree I just want to rotate it? 90 degree. 90 degree I can rotate. So here the top view, this is the front view. Both will be represented as a line. Am I right or not? Yes, that's all. AB line, this is the AB line, front view. So same as like that point section you have done it now. Same thing you just done here also. Only thing you just want to draw the line. So this is the type 1. It's the type 1 classification. Okay. Next type 2 classifications. So we are dealing with the 2 types now. So remaining types we can discuss in the classroom. Okay. So second type is here. The line AB. Like this. This is the representation. How can we represent? Yeah, parallel to. Yeah, very good. Parallel to VP, vertical plane, and yes, that's all. That is the second type. Okay, the projection of line. This is the second type. The line which is perpendicular, the line AB 70 mm length, okay, one of the end A, we can move. After that we just want to tell the next perspective. Before that, the line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. That is your second type, second classification. Okay, in this second classification, line AB 70 mm long, okay, one of the point A 20 mm above HP, 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Yes, are you get my point or not? Okay, you can assume இந்த லைன் வந்து இங்க இருக்கிற மாதிரி வெச்சுக்கங்க. Assume நம்ம இத உன்னோட அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்காக இப்போ இங்க இருந்ததுனா the line which can be perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, the same classification and all, it will be never change. But only thing, okay, the move ஆகுதுலையா above HP in front of VP, அத மட்டும் என்ன பண்றோம்னா இங்க வெச்சு சொன்னா உங்களுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? above which point A ங்கிறது இதுதான், point B இது. Point A is 20 mm above HP, okay, and 30 mm in front of VP. Draw its projection கேட்றோம். So இப்படி இருக்கும்போது front view உனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Front view ல எனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Line தான் கிடைக்கும். Top view ல very good, that's all. So that is the second topic. It will be finished. Okay.